Someone said earlier that our windscreen is glued manually. In fact, this is not a windscreen adhesive. This is just a primer for the future of the windscreen. It is used to assist the adhesion of the windscreen glue. This video take you to understand the whole process of car windscreen assembly. What you see now is that the cutter robot is grabbing the front windscreen to the gluing area. The whole process is automated by the robot and no manual operation is required. The advantages of robot gluing are high efficiency and even gluing. Low cost, no overcoating, no glue breakage, stable quality. Once applied, it is picked up and transported to the next area. It is transported to the security line, ready for installation. After several transfers, it is finally transported to the production line. In the back, there will be 2 workers to complete the assembly. Find the right position and put it on and take a few shots. The gap between the top, bottom, left and right must be guaranteed to be even. So, this is a job for experienced workers. The bottom is stuffed with spacers to prevent it from slipping, and then removed after the windscreen glue dries. Meanwhile, the top is secured with tape.